I have in front of me an article on Rocket. This is an article I copied and pasted into my gedit, or what is called as simple text editors. Simple text editors are capable of handling text, but let me show you what else I can do with text editors. I have LibreOffice Writer. I have a file open on LibreOffice Writer. This article that we are seeing here is the same article that we are seeing here in gedit, but we see that there is so much more richness in this software, which is why it is called as a rich text editor. We notice that the page has borders, the page also has margins, the heading is bigger in font, and there is a subtitle. Just below the title there is a horizontal line, and we also notice that it has an image and a caption under the image. It also has some links, what we call as universal resource locator URLs, and if I need to follow this link, I can use the control click and that link will open in a browser. Let me scroll down, and here I see it also has a page number. These are very few of the features that is possible in a rich text editor, which will not be possible in a simple text editor. Let me go back to my simple text editor. This is the way it looks. I will not be able to add margins, I will not be able to add an image, I will not be able to selectively increase the font. Even if I try increasing the font, let's say I select Rocket and I choose preferences, which allows me to choose the font and colors, and let's say I remove this and I increase the font size or decrease the font size, let's say select, the font of the whole document changes and not just of the text that I am selecting. I can't be selective about the formatting that I do here. For example, I change the font and the font of the complete document changed. But in a rich text editor, I will be able to choose a particular text and change only the properties of the text that I've chosen. I'm right now at 48 points and can bring it down to 28 without changing the size of the text in the rest of the document. Let me put it back at 48. There are so many other features I can do. For example, I can make this right align or center align or left align. In fact, left align suits this document a little better than the center align that it was. So all of this and lot more is possible using rich text editors like the LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice is not the only suite that is available for us. We could also use OpenOffice, and if you are working on the Microsoft platform, you could also use the Microsoft Office suite and use the word processor called Word in that to manipulate text in this format. So let's see how we can launch LibreOffice Writer. To do this, let me save this file, close these two. I'll close this without saving. LibreOffice Writer can be launched from the launcher if you have a shortcut. I have a shortcut already locked onto my launcher here, but if that's not the case, I can always search your computer and type in the word Writer, and I'm getting LibreOffice Writer. I click on it and it launches the LibreOffice Writer. So this is, and once it's launched, if it's not already locked, you just have to right click and lock it to the launcher. Right now it's already locked, so it's giving me the unlock feature, but if it wasn't locked, it would give me the lock to launcher feature. So this is the way we can launch LibreOffice Writer and start formatting the document, and in the next few videos we will see how to format these documents.